After the Russian artillery onslaught in eastern Ukraine and huge number of Ukrainian casualties in the defense on Eastern Front, now we definitely know that Russians are stopped, with the help of US HIMARS. The other thing that we can see is that the Ukrainian military is back on their tracks, and there are a lot of new videos that shows destruction of Russian manpower and hardware all over the country. Here is a drone from Ukraine's border guard dropping a munition on a likely abandoned Russian tank, leading to a catastrophic explosion. This is Ukrainian artillery strike on an unidentified Russian EU system. Can't tell from the footage what was targeted. Video of a Ukrainian OSA air defense system reportedly engaging an Orlan 10 UAV. Damaged Russian T-80U tank captured by Ukrainian forces. This video is showing two captured Russian BTR-80 vehicles. Captured Russian BMP-1 in Besormanin. Here Ukrainian soldiers are operating a British 105mm L11-19 howitzer. Ukrainian soldiers have mounted a Mount 12 Rapira anti-tank gun on a Mount Pound.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.